Installing Windows is pretty easy, but if you have the wrong hard drive partition, you're looking at some trouble. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how to get rid of that annoying MBR partition error you get when installing Windows. So as you can see here, I'm trying to install Windows onto a virtual machine, and I'm going to run into that problem. So if you're running into that issue, what you need to do on the product key screen, press Shift plus F10, left Shift plus F10 to open up your command prompt. Now in here, I am going to type in disk part and press enter. Once that is done, type in list disk, and this will show you all of the connected disks. I only have one disk in this virtual machine. So right now we are going to type in select disk 1, press enter. Select disk 0, press enter, and you're good to go. Now the next command is clean. Press enter, the disk will be clean. Then we're going to type in create partition primary, press enter once again, and then type in format-q or R if that doesn't work either. So just type in format and press enter, and now wait for this format process to complete. Once this process is complete, you can then proceed with your Windows 11 installation as usual, and you should not be seeing the MBR error because now your drive or SSD or SSD that you're trying to install Windows 11 on has been updated with the proper drive partitions. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.